Welcome Sumaji on the Health Hub platform, and along with that, many congratulations to you for receiving the Achiever Award on the Health Hub platform.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.
Sumaji, what inspired you to join this Health Hub platform?
Yeah, I wanted to start my online nutrition business, but really did not know where to start. So when I saw your ad for the webinar, I could feel that you have an energy which really is resonating with me, and I joined up your Health Up platform through the webinar, and yes, that has really inspired me. The people in Health Up platform have inspired me, and today I'm proud to say that after finishing all the hackathons, I have been able to build my own website and an upcoming webinar. Thanks so much, entire team, and to you, Dr. Tarmi ma'am.
Thank you so much. And along with that, Sumaji, can you just tell me what were your challenges when you were completing your missions related to this and when you were planning to set up all your systems online?
Oh, yeah, it was very challenging since I am not tech savvy and I did not know much about computers other than a little bit of Word and Excel. So, coming up with your own website was a very big challenge, but I think the hackathons really simplified it through first few hackathons. Of course, were very difficult for me to understand what was really going on, but then as and when it progressed, I really could get a hang of it. I finished all the hackathons on time and read the content thoroughly, and then it gave me a blueprint to set up my website. So the AI content domination, I mean, I had no clue what it was. So with that, with technology and your expert guidance and the community support, I was able to achieve this. I overcame the challenges related to technology and niche clarity. I had no clue where I have to start my business from. So it really gave me a very clear understanding, and now I'm very confident and clear about what I want to do in my business.
Great. And how are you feeling now?
Oh, it's very exciting with an upcoming webinar. So I'm preparing for that, and I will launch my business. And with the best wishes of Health Up community, I've already got 30 leads, and it's increasing day by day. And I hope to set my business up and see where it goes.
Wonderful. You got already 30 leads for this. That's great. That's good. And organic leads you are getting, right?
Yes.
Wonderful. So, were you expecting these all things before joining? Yeah, as
No,
soon as you
not
joined
at all.
this platform, were you expecting these all things?
No, not at all. I did not know basically like Instagram, how to get. First of all, the word lead itself was a new word for me. So, at least lead magnet, all the terminologies which I learned. Of course, a website and webinar. Yes, I'm really proud that I achieved that. But there was so much of learning in this process, in all the hackathons and with the inner circle meet, abundance of knowledge which has, shaped me into a different human being, I can say. It has really helped me a lot different ways. Like I feel I'm a new person now.
Wonderful. So, at the scale of 1 to 10, like how much satisfied you are with this? Like 10 is a maximum score I can give it, and 1 is a minimum score. So, what is your satisfaction level?
Yes, I give 10 on 10 because I came from nowhere, like I had no clue. So now, yes, it has complete, means it's given me much more than I expected. I thought it would just be like any other course where there'll be a tutor and then you get to learn few things. But implementing what we have learned is something which has given me immense satisfaction and definitely a 10 on 10.
Great. Thank you so much. And along with that, I'm definitely sure that you must also be getting some appreciation from the family side, from the relative side. So, can you share some of the experience related to that?
Yes. See, throughout, I was a lecturer and a mother for most of the years. I was a homemaker. So, I mean, the pride that I see in my children's eyes that my mom is a super healthpreneur and she has launched her own website and with so many dreams of her own. So that is, apart from the success that would get in my business, I feel very proud that they are looking at me from a different angle and they're so supportive, like taking care of household chores when I have my meeting or when I'm completing the hackathon or when I am busy, building the website. And they've been very supportive and it's a very nice feeling. And all the relatives have recognized me now. They call me super entrepreneur wherever I go. So that is, yes, it has given me immense satisfaction. Thank you so much for that. It's given a new identity, I can say. So for me.
Great. And along with that, I also want to ask you, what are the top 3 learnings you received in your life, maybe from the Health Hub platform, or maybe like when you were upgrading yourself?
Yeah. See, the one major learning what I feel is that you have to have commitment to whatever you're doing. See, even maybe it is a hackathon, but I feel that commitment is the one thing which we all should give. So once we give 100, yes, results are not in our control, but once we are committed to it, the first important learning is commitment. I mean, I think you made us do the hackathons with motivation, so the commitment definitely. And second is not to postpone things, like you said, don't procrastinate. So I used to finish the hackathon the same day. I know after the long hours I used to feel hungry, as to have my lunch and then finish it. So do not procrastinate your task, whatever you have to do. This has been my weakness, like I used to, okay, let me do it later, but this time I think through the motivation I learned that you have to finish it. So but that has really changed the way things have worked out for me. I did not know that it was such a big tool, finishing your work on time. And the third thing definitely is honesty to yourself and clarity about what you're doing. If you're honest, like you know what you're doing, and I think it'll get you everywhere. So this has been of very great help to me, in shaping my personality, I can say.
That's great. That's great. And how do you find, when you joined on this platform, I'm definitely sure you must have joined at multiple platforms to upgrade yourself. How do you find this platform different from other platforms?
Basically I have enrolled myself in few other things, but then I did not complete any of the programs because I felt it was not targeted at actually us, it was more of them. So but here I feel the main focus is on the students, so that they come up with their own website, with their own webinar, with so much of motivation, and so that they can progress. So that was very different, and that mentoring and that guidance was very personal, and it felt like a family. It was so much of connection. There's so much of connection between all the members and you, Dr. Chavani ma'am. So I felt like I will complete this. So no other webinars or whatever I've attended or I have entered into those courses, I have been able to complete. I have just quit because it did not engage me and it did not give me any satisfaction or interest. But this I completed, and there was some outcome of this. So that is what has made Health Hub very different from other platforms.
That's great that you all implemented the things, whatever is being taught over here, you implemented, and along with that, you got the outcomes and result, whatever you were expecting. That is wonderful. That's great. And iske saath, I also want to ask you one more thing. What key message you want to give to the society, to the community?
To the Health Hub community?
Any of the viewers who is watching this.
Yeah. See, first key message would be that you believe in yourself. You can definitely do whatever challenges comes in your way. There will be people, there will be ways, the universe will provide you to overcome those challenges. But you have to know it in you that you are going to do this and you're ready to overcome those challenges. I wouldn't say that there will not be any challenges. Life is never a bed of roses. I also face challenges, be it related to technology or time management, because managing family and doing something for yourself is challenging. But you believe in yourself, and I think everything will fall in place and you'll be able to achieve what you have set in mind.
Wonderful. That's wonderful. And what is your next step now? What is your next goal? You have already completed your one goal. You have achieved that, getting the Achiever Award. What is your next goal now?
Yeah, next is my business as I have to focus on that and convert the leads into potential customers, and so that they stay with me, and I could, impact the society in a way that I have always dreamed of. So that would be my next goal, and also to inspire many others who have this dream of doing something of their own but haven't been able to do so. So I would want everyone to achieve and experience that joy what I am experiencing right now.
And the value you invested over here. I'm not saying only about the value, but your time and your energy, whatever you invested over here. Did you find that, yes, the value is worth for that? Investing your value, time, energy?
Yes, definitely. I mean, I don't think any platform would have provided so much value for the very little investment of money that we've done. The amount of knowledge-wise, or you can say, technology skills, or the way you deal with things, obstacles which come in your way. So this is much more. It has added much more value than what I expected. So what I expected was just a few learnings, about coaching and what you would want to do and how you want to do. But and the inner circle meet, and you take so much of interest individually, and then our own group, community group. So it has added great value, and I would definitely feel that it is much more than what we expected.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Suma. And I wish you a very good luck for your bright future. And definitely, I wish that, yes, you fulfill all your dreams and goals in your life. Thank you so much, Suma.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And thank you, Health Up.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.